Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths Marathon classes. In this session, we'll study what is parametric differentiation. NCERT exercise 5.6, differentiation chapter, parametric differentiation. All exercise problems will work out along with the solved examples in this session. What is parametric differentiation? Given x as a function of t and y as a function of t, where t is a parameter. Okay, x and y are the two variables. It is expressed in terms of the third variable t, or sometimes in terms of the third variable theta. Okay, then we find dx by dt, dy by dt, then find dy by dx. This method of finding dy by dx, dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt is called as parametric differentiation. X is given as function of t, y is also given as function of t, where t is a parameter or the third variable, like this. X as a function of t, y as a function of t. In that case, differentiate with respect to t. You get dx by dt equal to f dash of t. Here differentiate dy by dt equal to g dash of t. Then find dy by dx. dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. For dx by dt not equal to 0. This method of finding dy by dx is called as parametric differentiation. It's a quite important chapter, quite important topic, because they can ask these type of questions for 3 marks. Finding dx by dt 1 mark, finding dy by dt 1 mark, then find dy by dx 1 mark. The equal distribution will be there. Okay. Sometimes they give the parameter as theta. X will be a function of theta, y will be a function of theta. If theta is a parameter, in that case you find out dx by d theta, dy by d theta, then find dy by dx. Okay, that's called parametric differentiation. In that case, dy by dx will be dy by d theta by dx by d theta. And some of the important parametric equations are given, and also slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent is nothing but dy by dx. These are the parametric equations of parabola. X equal to 80 square, y equal to 280 is the parametric equations of parabola. It satisfies y square is equal to 4x in the Cartesian form. X equal to a cos theta, y equal to a sin theta, the parametric equations of circle. X equal to a cos theta, y equal to b sin theta are the parametric equations of ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. In that case, slope of the tangent is given minus b by a cot theta. Slope of the tangent is dy by dx. You can find dy by d theta by dx by d theta. A and b are the constants here. X equal to a secant theta, y equal to b tan theta, the parametric equations of hyperbola. All these curves we studied in conic section chapter, correct? Circle, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola, correct? So I have given the parametric equations. X equal to ct, y equal to c by t. These are the parametric equations of rectangular hyperbola. Okay, c is a constant. If the Cartesian form will be x into y equal to c square. The equation of hyperbola in the Cartesian form is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. So parametric equations are quite important actually to find equations of tangent and normal in terms of the parameter t or parameter theta. Okay, equation of tangent to parabola, tangent to ellipse in parametric form we can find out using parametric form. This is the advantage of parametric differentiation. Okay, we shall take the problems based on this one by one. If x equal to 80 square, y is equal to 280, find dy by dx. Here the parameter is t. So find out dx by dt, dy by dt, then go for dy by dx. Dx by dt. Differentiate x with respect to t. Given x is equal to 80 square. Differentiate x with respect to t. Dx by dt I'll get. Constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Differentiate t square with respect to t. That is 2t. So dx by dt I am getting 280. Y is equal to 280. Find out dy by dx. I mean dy by dt here. Dy by dt is differentiate with respect to t. Constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Differentiate t with respect to t. 1. Constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Differentiate t with respect to t, which is 1. 2a into 1, that is 2a. Therefore, dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. Correct? Substitute the value of dy by dt we got. dy by dt we got 2a. dx by dt we got 2at. 2a divided by 2at. dy by dt is 2a. dx by dt we got 2at, of which 2a cancels. We get 1 by t. Very simple one. Just find dx by dt, dy by dt, then find dy by dx. It's defined as dy by dt by dx by dt. Constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Differentiate t square with respect to t, 2t. Constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Derivative of t with respect to t is 1. On to the next one. Given x equal to 4t, y equal to 4 by t. Prove that dy by dx plus y by x equal to 0. X is given as 4t. So differentiate this with respect to t here. The parameter is t. So find dx by dt, dy by dt, then find dy by dx. Correct? Given x is equal to 4t here. Given x is equal to 4t. Differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. Differentiating with respect to t on both sides. What we get? Dx by dt is equal to constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Differentiate t with respect to t, which is 1. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Correct? Constant into variable. Constant. 4 is a constant, t is a variable. Constant into variables. Constant keep as it is. Differentiate t with respect to t, which is 1. Y is given as 4 by t. Y is given to be equal to 4 divided by t. 4 by t means you can write it as 4 into 1 by t. Correct? 4 by t means 4 into 1 by t. Now differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. Constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Constant keep as it is. 4 is constant keep as it is. Differentiate 1 by t with respect to t. Minus 1 by t square. 4 into minus 1 by t square. Correct? Constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Differentiate 1 by t with respect to t, which is minus 1 by t square. Now find dy by dx. dy by dx is dy by dt by dx by dt. 4 by t means 4 into 1 by t. Constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Derivative of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. Therefore, I can find dy by dx. dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. dy by dt by dx by dt. dy by dt is minus 4 by t square. Don't mix up, right? dy by dt first, then dx by dt. dy by dt is minus 4 by t square. Correct? Constant into variable. Constant, right, as it is. Derivative of 1 by t with respect to t, minus 1 by t square. So minus 4 by t square divided by dx by dt is 4. 4 cancels. What we get is minus 1 by t square. This is dy by dx. dy by dx, I want to prove that dy by dx plus y by x equal to 0. You take the ratio y by x. What is y by x? You find out on the side. Y by x is equal to, y is given to be 4 by t. X is given as 4t. X is 4t. Y is 4 by t. X is 4t, correct? 4 cancels. 1 by t becomes 1 by t square. Correct? 1 by t divided by t is 1 by t square. So y by x I got 1 by t square. I can substitute here. Minus you keep as it is. 1 by t square is y by x. So dy by dx is minus y by x. dy by dx is minus y by x means dy by dx plus y by x equal to 0. dy by dx plus y by x equal to 0. Hope you understand. X is given as 4t. 4 is constant, t is a variable. Constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Derivative of t with respect to t is 1. 4 by t means 4 into 1 by t. Constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Derivative of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. Now find out dy by dx. dy by dt by dx by dt. dy by dt we got minus 4 by t square. dx by dt is 4. 4 cancels. Minus 1 by t square. Now want to show that dy by dx plus y by x equal to 0. No? So take the ratio y by x here. Y by x. Y is given as 4 by t. X is 4t. 4 cancels. 1 by t divided by t becomes 1 by t square. So 1 by t square is y by x. So dy by dx equal to minus y by x or dy by dx plus y by x equal to 0. Hence proved. Move on to the next one. Given x equal to sin t, y equal to cos 2t. Prove that dy by dx equal to minus 4 sin t. Here the parameter is t. So find dx by dt, dy by dt, then find dy by dx. X is equal to sin t. Given x is equal to sin t. This implies dx by dt differentiating with respect to t. Derivative of sin t is cos t. Y is given to be equal to cos 2t. Correct? Differentiate this with respect to t. We get dy by dt. dy by dt equal to derivative of cos 2t is minus sin 2t into derivative of 2t, that is 2. Minus sin 2t into derivative of 2t. Derivative of 2t with respect to t is 2. Now find dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. dy by dt is minus 2 sin 2t. dx by dt is cos t. This is equal to minus 2, keep as it is. Write the double angle formula for sin 2t. What is sin 2t? We know 2 sin t cos t, correct? So making use of double angle formula. Sin 2t is 2 sin t cos t divided by cos t. Cos t is going to cancel. So what do you get? Minus 2 into 2 becomes minus 4 sin t. Hence proved dy by dx equal to minus 4 sin t. So x is function of t, y is function of t. So find dx, dt, dy by dt, then find dy by dx. Derivative of sin t with respect to t is constant. Derivative of cos 2t is minus sin 2t into derivative of 2t, that is 2. 2 into 1, 2. Further differentiate 2t, it follows by chain rule. dy by dx is dy by dt by dx by dt. dy by dt we got minus 2 sin 2t. dx by dt is cos t. Make use of the double angle formula here. Sin 2t is 2 sin t cos t, of which cos t is going to cancel. Minus 4 sin t. Hence proved. Move on to the next one. X equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to a sin cube theta. I want to show that dy by dx equal to minus cube root of y by x. So x is a cos cube theta. A cos cube theta means a into cos theta the whole cube. A into, this is cos theta the whole cube. It is of the type x cube. Derivative of x cube is 3x square, right? So dx by d theta I can find out. Constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Differentiate the variable. Differentiate this as you differentiate x cube. You know derivative of x cube is 3x square. Likewise differentiate this. Then apply chain rule. Derivative of cos theta the whole cube is 3 cos square theta into derivative of cos theta minus sin theta. Note that the parameter is theta here. So I am finding dx by d theta and dy by d theta. Hence dy by dx. In the earlier 3 problems we had the parameter as t. Now the parameter is theta. Correct? So differentiating with respect to theta here. dx by d theta is equal to constant keep as this. Derivative of cos cube theta is 3 cos square theta, 3 cos square theta into derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. Y is given to be equal to, y is a sin cube theta. Sin cube theta means sin theta the whole cube, correct? This is a into sin theta the whole cube. Differentiate this with respect to theta. Dy by d theta we are going to get. Constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Derivative of sin theta the whole cube is 3 sin square theta into derivative of sin theta which is cos theta. So dy by dx. Dy by dx is dy by d theta by dx by d theta, correct? Therefore, dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Substitute the value of dy by d theta, what we got? 3a sin square theta cos theta. 3a sin square theta into cos theta divided by dx by d theta is minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. Correct? 3a is going to cancel. 1 sin will cancel. 1 cos will cancel. Sin by cos is tan. So minus tan theta I am going to get. Tan theta I can find out from the given equations. X is a cos cube theta. Y is a sin cube theta. From there you find what is y by x. Y by x is equal to what? Y is a sin cube theta divided by x is given to be a cos cube theta. A cancels. Sin cube theta by cos cube theta is tan cube theta. So tan theta we want. Take a cube root on both sides. Correct? Y by x is tan cube theta. Taking cube root means raising to the power 1 by 3 on both sides. So what I am going to get is tan theta equal to cube root of y by x. Correct? Tan theta is cube root of y by x. Taking cube root means raising to the power 1 by 3. Tan cube theta power 1 by 3 becomes tan theta. Y by x power 1 by 3. Whole to the power 1 by 3 is nothing but cube root. So tan theta is cube root of y by x. So I am getting minus. Minus you keep as it is. Tan theta is cube root of y by x. So cube root of y by x. So dy by dx we got this minus cube root of y by x. Hence proved. Theta is the parameter here. So find dx by d theta, dy by d theta. Apply chain rule to differentiate cos cube theta. Constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Differentiate the variable. To differentiate cos cube theta, I am applying chain rule. 3 cos square theta into derivative cos theta is minus sin theta. Constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Derivative of sin cube theta. 3 sin square theta into derivative of sin theta is cos theta. Then take the ratio. Dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Substitute. Also find y by x and substitute here. Okay. So tan theta I'll get cube root of y by x from here. Tan theta is cube root of y by x. So dy by dx will be minus y by x minus cube root of y by x minus tan theta is minus cube root of y by x. Move on to the next one. X is given as a into cos theta plus theta sin theta. Y equal to a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. I want to prove that dy by dx equal to tan theta. Note that the parameter is theta here. X is function of theta. Y is also function of theta. So we need to find dx by d theta, dy by d theta, then find dy by dx. The parameter is theta. No, so differentiate with respect to theta. Given x is equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta. Differentiating with respect to theta here. What we get? Dx by d theta is equal to a is constant. Constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Differentiate the variable. Correct? A is constant. Keep as it is. Derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. Plus here you need to apply the product rule. Theta into sin theta. Apply product rule. First into derivative of second. Plus second into derivative of first. Applying product rule. Differentiating theta sin theta is like differentiating x into sin x. Correct? Theta into first function keep as it is. First function keep as it is. differentiate sine theta with respect to theta. Derivative of sine theta with respect to theta is cos theta, correct? Cos theta plus sine theta into second function into derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1, correct? Derivative cos is minus sine. Here you need to apply the product rule. First function write as it is, differentiate the second function. Derivative of sine theta is cos theta plus second function keep as it is, differentiate theta with respect to theta which is 1. So sine theta into 1 sine theta is going to cancel, right? Minus sine theta plus sine theta is going to cancel. What we get is a into theta cos theta. Same way differentiate y with respect to theta. Then you can find dy by dx. Given y is equal to, y is given to be equal to a into sine theta minus theta cos theta. Find dy by d theta from this. This implies dy by d theta is equal to constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Differentiate terms inside the bracket. Derivative of sine theta is cos theta. Correct? We need to apply product rule for this because it is product of two functions. Product of two functions means apply the product rule. First into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. Correct? Minus of. Here apply product rule. Theta into derivative of cos theta is minus sine theta plus cos theta into derivative of theta is 1. Correct? First function keep as it is. Differentiate cos theta. Derivative cos theta is minus sine theta plus second function keep as it is. Derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1. So what we get is a into what we get is cos theta minus into minus is plus theta sine theta, correct? Minus into plus becomes minus cos theta, correct? Cos theta is going to cancel here. So what I am going to get is dy by d theta is equal to a theta sine theta. Dy by d theta. Now find dy by dx. Dy by dx is dy by d theta by dx by d theta. We'll get the answer. Hope I understood how to differentiate terms inside the bracket. Constant keep as it is. Constant into variable means how to differentiate. Constant keep as it is. Differentiate the variable. So variable part I am differentiating. Derivative of sine theta is cos theta. Here it's product of two functions. So need to apply the product rule. First function keep as it is. Derivative of cos theta is minus sine theta plus second function keep as it is. Derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1. Correct? Minus into minus becomes plus theta sine theta. Here minus into plus is minus. Cos theta into 1 cos theta. Cos theta is of opposite side. Will add up to 0. So I get a theta sine theta. Finally I am finding dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta is a theta sine theta. Dx by d theta is a theta cos theta. A theta cancels. Sine theta by cos theta is tan theta. Correct? Dy by dx is tan theta. Hence proved. Move on to the next one. Given x equal to a into cos t plus log of tan t by 2. Y equal to a sin t. Prove that dy by dx equal to tan t. Here the parameter is t. So I need to find dx by dt. Dy by dt. Then find dy by dx. Correct? So given x equal to a into cos t plus log of tan t by 2. Differentiate with respect to t. The parameter is t. Correct? So dx by dt is equal to a into derivative of cos t is minus sin t. Correct? Constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Derivative of cos t is minus sin t. Plus here derivative of log x is 1 by x. Derivative of log of tan t by 2 is 1 by tan t by 2 into derivative of tan t by 2 is secant square t by 2. Derivative of t by 2 is 1 by 2. Apply chain rule to differentiate this. Derivative of log x, 1 by x. Derivative of log of tan t by 2 is 1 by tan t by 2. Further differentiate tan t by 2. Derivative of tan t by 2 is secant square t by 2. Into derivative of t by 2 is 1 by 2. Correct? So apply chain rule properly here. This is 1 by tan t by 2. 1 by tan t by 2 into derivative of tan t by 2 is secant square t by 2 into derivative of t by 2 is 1 by 2. Correct? Derivative of log x is 1 by x, but this is not x. So further differentiate. Derivative of tan is secant square. Secant square t by 2 into derivative of t by 2 is 1 by 2. Correct? Then further we need to simplify this. Secant square is 1 by cos square. Tan is sine by cos. More simplification is there in this problem. Okay, it's quite important. Already asked in many exams. A into what I'm going to get is minus sine t plus 1 by tan t by 2. Write it as sine t by 2 divided by cos t by 2. Correct? Tan is sine by cos. Secant square is 1 by cos square. 1 by cos square t by 2 into derivative of t by 2 is 1 by 2. Correct? 1 cos will cancel here. Correct? 1 cos will cancel. 1 cos remains. Cos square means cos into cos. 1 cos has been cancelled. What is left here is 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 only. Here denominator is 2 sine t by 2 cos t by 2. What is 2 sine t by 2 cos t by 2? That is sine t. Correct? So this is equal to a into minus sine t plus 1 by what we have 2 sine t by 2 cos t by 2. We know 2 sine t by 2 cos t by 2 is sine t, the half angle formula. Therefore, I am getting dx by dt equal to dx by dt is equal to a into what we have minus sine t plus 1 by 2 sine t by 2 cos t by 2 is sine t, the half angle formula. Correct? So further we can simplify this. A into, take common denominator, sine t minus sine t by 1. So here minus sine t into sine t minus sine square t plus 1. Correct? Minus sine t into sine t minus sine square t plus 1 into 1 is 1. So this is equal to a into, this is 1 minus sine square t is cos square t. Correct? Using the fundamental trigonometric identity. Denominator keep as it is. Correct? I take LCM sine t here. Minus sine t means minus sine t by 1 plus 1 by sine t. This is from half angle formula. 2 sine t by 2 cos t by 2 is sine t. Correct? So 1 by sine t. Between sine t and 1 take common denominator sine t. So I get minus sine square t plus 1. Correct? 1 has to be multiplied by sine t to get this. That's sine t into minus sine t minus sine square t. Sine t into 1. 1 into 1 1. 1 minus sine square t is cos square t. Dx by dt part is over. For dx by dt part, now you should practice. Many students make mistake in the exam. Okay, they'll miss half here, they'll not write half, or simplification part. Chain rule properly you should apply. Don't miss half here. Further, you should differentiate t by 2. Derivative of t by 2 is 1 by 2. T by 2 means half into t. Half is constant, right, as it is. Derivative of t with respect to t is 1. Derivative of t by 2 is 1 by 2. Most important step. And writing tan as sine by cos. Secant square is 1 by cos square. Cos square means cos into cos. 1 cos will cancel. 1 cos remains. 2 sine t by 2 cos t by 2, which is sine t. So a into minus sine t plus 1 by sine t. Then take LCM and simplify. Dy by dt, that you can differentiate directly. Y is a sine t. So dy by dt is a cos t. Correct? Y is equal to a sine t. From this, dy by dt is equal to a cos t. That is very direct. Dx by dt part is more simplification. Practice it. Not so easy, not so difficult. once you practice it. Okay. Now at this stage I can find dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. What is dy by dt? We got a cos t, correct? Dy by dt is a cos t. Dx by dt we got a into cos square t divided by sin t. Correct? A cancels. One cos will cancel. One cos remains. Correct? This sign will go up. Sin by cos becomes tan. Denominator goes to numerator. Sin t divided by cos t, which is equal to tan t. Hence proved. Correct? Dy by dt we got a cos t. Dx by dt we got a cos square t by sin t. A cancels. One cos will cancel. Cos t, 1 by cos t by sin t. This sin t goes up. Sin t by cos t is tan t. Hence proved. Dy by dx is tan t. Once again I repeat, please practice this part. Okay. Constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Derivative of cos t is minus sin t. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Derivative of log of tan t by 2 is 1 by tan t by 2 into derivative of tan t by 2 is secant square t by 2 into derivative of t by 2 is 1 by 2. Tan you can write sin by cos. Secant square is 1 by cos square. 1 cos will cancel. Correct? 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 is left. That is half angle formula sin t. So minus sin t plus 1 by sin t inside the bracket. Take LCM sin t. We get minus sin square t plus 1. 1 minus sin square t is cos square t. That is dx by dt. dy by dt. Derivative of a sin t is a cos t. Then find dy by dx. Hence we get the answer. Dy by dx equal to tan t. So quite important problem. Also can be taken as a standard result. For competitive exams, all these things can be remembered as a standard result. Okay. If this question is asked in the CET exam or any competitive exams, we can't do all these steps. It kills our time, correct? Time consuming. We can't do such a big lengthy question. So it's better to remember. It's taken as standard result. So remember this question. If x is given as a into cos t plus log of tan t by 2 and y equal to a sin t, dy by dx equal to tan t. Just remember this. Even the previous one, x equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta, y equal to a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. In that case, dy by dx is tan theta we got. One more we had x equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to a sin cube theta. Dy by dx is minus cube root of y by x or minus tan theta. It's also equal to minus cube root of y by x. All those things you must remember. Okay, I insist the students to remember this as a standard result, because if this question is asked, suppose they give like this: x equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta, y equal to a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. Find dy by dx at theta equal to pi by 3. Then ask directly. Remember, dy by dx is tan theta, tan pi by 3 root 3 over. Direct answer, correct? So don't have to work out all these things. Even this question, quite important. Dy by dx is minus cube root of y by x. Okay, please learn this as a standard result and practice this problem. It's very important problem for board exams. Okay, once again I repeat, derivative of cos is minus sin. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Derivative of log of tan t by 2 is 1 by tan t by 2 into derivative of tan t by 2, which is secant square t by 2 into derivative of t by 2 is 1 by 2. Tan you write sin by cos. Secant square you write 1 by cos square. Cos square means cos into cos. One cos will cancel. So what is left? 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2, which is sin t. Then simplify. Take LCM. Sin t minus sin square t plus 1. 1 minus sin square t is cos square t using fundamental trigonometric identity. Then find dy by dt by dx by dt. You'll get the answer as tan t. Move on to the next one. Question number 7. X is given as a into theta minus sin theta, y equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Want to prove that dy by dx equal to minus cot theta by 2. Here the parameter is theta. So you can find dx by d theta, dy by d theta, then find dy by dx. X is given as x is equal to a into theta minus sine theta. This implies dx by d theta is equal to a into constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Differentiate theta with respect to theta, which is 1. Minus derivative of sine theta with respect to theta is cos theta. Go to y part. Y is given to be equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Find out dy by d theta here. From this, dy by d theta is equal to constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of cos theta is minus sine theta. Correct? Therefore, dy by dx. dy by dx equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. dy by d theta dx by d theta. Correct? dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Substitute for dy by d theta. A into minus sine theta. This is minus a sine theta. Dx by d theta is a into 1 minus cos theta. A cancels. What we get? Minus a keep as it is. Sine theta I can write 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Divided by 1 minus cos theta is 2 sine square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta, half angle formula. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sine square theta by 2. Sine theta is 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 cancels. 1 sine will cancel. 1 sine remains. Cos by sine is cot. Correct? Minus cot theta by 2. Hence proved. Cos by sine is cot. So dy by dx equal to minus cot theta by 2. Sin theta is half angle formula. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta. 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 cancels. Sin square means sin into sin. 1 sin cancels. Cos by sin is cot along with negative sign. Here constant into variable. Constant write as it is. Differentiate theta with respect to theta 1. Derivative of sin theta with respect to theta is cos theta. Constant times variable means constant keep as it is. Derivative of 1 0. To differentiate this, derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. So dy by dx is minus cot theta by 2. Move on to the next one. X is given as square root of a power sin inverse t. Y equal to square root of a power cos inverse t. Want to show that dy by dx is minus y by x. There are two ways of doing this problem. One is directly, the parameter is t here, so I can find dx by dt, dy by dt, then find dy by dx. Another method is we can eliminate the parameter t. Okay, we can multiply the two equations. I can use the properties of ITF, which is actually deleted from the NCERT book. Sin inverse t plus cos inverse t is pi by 2. But for competitive exams, you can learn. You have to learn because sometimes question gets mixed up. So in that case, and the concepts of inverse trigonometry is very much useful in differentiation and integration. So it's better to learn the properties of ITF even though it's deleted from the NCERT book. Even though it's deleted from NCERT book, it's better to learn. Okay. So I'll do both the methods. One is by direct differentiation, that is dx by dt, dy by dt, then find dy by dx. Another method is I'm converting the parametric form to implicit form and finding the derivative dy by dx. Okay. So there are two methods of doing this problem. Both the methods we shall do. Derivative of root x. If you are doing the direct differentiation, dx by dt, dy by dt, by parametric differentiation if you are applying, you need to apply chain rule here. Derivative of root x. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Into further differentiate the terms inside the root. Derivative of a power x form it takes. Derivative of a power x is a power x into log a. Further differentiate sin inverse t. Derivative of sin inverse t is 1 by root of 1 minus t square. With respect to t I am differentiating. So we'll do it. This x is given as x is equal to square root of a power sin inverse t. From this differentiate dx by dt equal to dx by dt is equal to derivative of root x. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by 2 root of a power sin inverse t. 1 by 2 root of a power sin inverse t, correct, into, further differentiate the terms inside the root, derivative of a power x, derivative of a power x is a power x log a, derivative of a power sin inverse t is a power sin inverse t into log a into derivative of sin inverse t is 1 by root of 1 minus t square, correct. Again I repeat, first differentiate as a differentiate root x, differentiate as a differentiate root x, derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 2 root of a power sin inverse t into derivative of a power sin inverse t, derivative of a power sin inverse t is a power sin inverse t into log a into derivative of sin inverse t is 1 by root of 1 minus t square, okay. And dy by dt I can find out, otherwise I'll simplify one step here. I can write this a power sin inverse t as root of a power sin inverse t into root of a power sin inverse t, okay. That will do it. This is equal to 1 by 2 root of a power sin inverse t, correct. This a power sin inverse t I shall write it as root of a power sin inverse t into root of a power sin inverse t into log a is there, correct. Whole thing is divided by root of 1 minus t square, of which 1 root of a power sin inverse t is going to cancel. So what is left here? Root of a power sin inverse t, root of a power sin inverse t into log a divided by 2 into root of 1 minus t square. This is dx by dt. Now find y is given. Y is square root of a power cos inverse t. A power cos inverse t. So differentiate this same way. dy by dt is equal to derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x 1 by 2 root of a power cos inverse t into derivative of a power cos inverse t, derivative of a power x form, a power x into log a. Likewise, differentiate a power cos inverse t as a power cos inverse t into log a into derivative of cos inverse t minus 1 by root of 1 minus t square. Correct? Further, as we did here, split this a power cos inverse t as root of a power cos inverse t into root of a power cos inverse t. What am I going to get? Root of a power cos inverse t into root of a power cos inverse t log a into minus 1, that is minus log a, right? Minus log a divided by 2 into square root of a power cos inverse t into root of 1 minus t square. Root of a power cos inverse t is going to cancel. What is left? Minus root of a power cos inverse t into log a divided by 2 into root of 1 minus t square. Now find dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx equal to dy by dx is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. dy by dt is here, dx by dt is here. Divide one by the other. What we get? Minus, and that too I can write this as root of a power cos inverse t is y. Root of a power sin inverse t is x. Correct? This is x log a I can write. X log a divided by 2 into root of 1 minus t square. I can write like this. Correct? And root of a power cos inverse t is y, no? So I can write it as minus y log a divided by 2 into root of 1 minus t square. Correct? dy by dt is minus y log a divided by 2 into root of 1 minus t square. Dx by dt is here x log a x log a divided by 2 into root of 1 minus t square. Correct? 2 into root of 1 minus t square, and log a is going to cancel. We get minus y by x. Hence proved dy by dx equal to minus y by x. Derivative of root x. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. But this is not x. So further differentiate. Derivative of a power x log a. Further differentiate sin inverse t because it is not x. Derivative of sin inverse t is 1 by root of 1 minus t square. Then split this. A power sin inverse t as root of a power sin inverse t into root of a power sin inverse t, of which these two will cancel. Then replace root of a power sin inverse t by x. So we get x log a by 2 into root of 1 minus t square. Likewise, how we did here, same way do this, and we'll get minus y log a by 2 into root of 1 minus t square. Take the ratio one by the other. Get dy by dx equal to minus y by x. Another method, if you're doing just multiply the two equations, x into y. I'll add one slide here and prove this. X into y. The second method. Multiply the two equations. This is quite easier actually. The steps are less actually comparatively. X into y. X is given as root of a power sin inverse t. I multiply the two equations. X into y. X is square root of a power sin inverse t. Y is root of a power cos inverse t. Correct? So multiplying means adding the powers. Root of a power sin inverse t into root of a power cos inverse t. Within the root I can multiply. Root of a power sin inverse t into a power cos inverse t. I can add the powers because of multiplication. A power, what I am getting? Sin inverse t plus cos inverse t. Sin inverse t plus cos inverse t is pi by 2. Square root of a power pi by 2. A power pi by 2 is constant. Root of a power pi by 2 is k, a constant I'll take. I converted the parametric form to implicit form. I'm getting xy is equal to constant, correct? Therefore, what I got? X into y is equal to k. X into y is equal to k. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. What do you get? Derivative of xy. To differentiate xy, apply the product rule. It's multiplication of two functions. First into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. Correct? X into derivative of y is dy by dx plus y into derivative of x is 1 and derivative of k is 0. So from this, x into dy by dx is equal to minus y. Correct? Using product rule here. First function keep as it is. Differentiate y with respect to x, dy by dx plus y into derivative of x is 1. So dy by dx is minus y by x. Dy by dx is equal to minus y divided by x. Hence proved. Move on to the next one. X is given as a into theta plus sin theta, y equal to a into 1 minus cos theta. Want to prove that dy by dx equal to tan theta by 2. The parameter is theta. So find dx by d theta, dy by d theta, then find dy by dx. X is equal to a into theta plus sin theta. From this, dx by d theta is equal to, this implies dx by d theta is equal to what? Constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1. Derivative of sin theta with respect to theta is cos theta. Correct? Y is given as a into 1 minus cos theta. Differentiate this with respect to theta. dy by d theta is constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of minus causes plus sign. Correct? Constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of minus causes plus sign. Therefore, dy by dx. dy by dx is dy by d theta by dx by d theta, dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta, correct? Derivative of 1 is 0, constant into variable means constant keep as it is. To differentiate 1 minus cos theta, derivative of 1 0, derivative of minus cos is plus sign. Substitute the value of dy by d theta, we got a into sin theta divided by dx by d theta is a into 1 plus cos theta. A cancels. Sin theta is what? 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cancels. 1 cos will cancel. Sin by cos is tan. Tan theta by 2. Hence proved. Using half angle formula. Sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cancels. 1 cos will cancel. Sin by cos is tan. Tan theta by 2. Move on to the next one. X is given as 2at square, y equal to at power 4. Want to find dy by dx. Here the parameter is t. So find dx by dt, dy by dt. X is 2at square. Given x is equal to 2at square. So differentiate with respect to t. Dx by dt is equal to constant into variable. Constant keep as this. Derivative of t square with respect to t is 2t. So what I am getting is 4at. Correct? Constant into variable. Constant you write as it is. Derivative of t square with respect to t is 2t. Given next one. Y is a t power 4. A into t power 4. Differentiate this with respect to t. Dy by dt is equal to constant into variable. Constant keep as this. Derivative of t power 4 is 4t cube. Therefore, dy by dt by dx by dt can find out the ratio dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Dy by dt by dx by dt. Dy by dt is what? 4at cube divided by dx by dt is 4at. 4at cancels. What we get is t square. 4at is going to cancel. 1t square remains. Dy by dx is t square. Hope you understand. The parameter is t. So I am finding dx by dt and dy by dt, hence dy by dx. Constant into variable. 2a is constant, keep as it is. Derivative of t square with respect to t is 2t. Constant into variable. Constant, keep as it is. Derivative of t power 4 is 4t cube. Correct? This is 2a into 2t becomes 4at. Here a into 4t cube, which is 4at cube. So dy by dt by dx by dt. Dy by dt we got 4at cube. Dx by dt we got 4at. 4a cancels. 1t cancels. What remains is t square. So dy by dx is t square. Move on to the next one. Question number 11. X is given as cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Y equal to sin theta minus sin 2 theta. So parameter is theta. Want to find dy by dx. Find dx by d theta, dy by d theta, then find dy by dx. X is given as cos theta minus cos 2 theta. From this, dx by d theta is equal to dx by d theta equal derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta minus derivative of cos 2 theta is minus sin 2 theta into derivative of 2 theta, that is 2. Correct? Derivative of cos is minus sin. Derivative of cos 2 theta is minus sin 2 theta into further differentiate 2 theta with respect to theta, which is 2. 2 into 1, 2. So minus of minus will become plus. So I'll write this term first. 2 sin 2 theta minus sin theta. Minus into minus is plus. 2 sin 2 theta minus sin theta. Y is equal to what? Sin theta minus sin 2 theta. Y is given as sin theta minus sin 2 theta. So dy by d theta is equal to derivative of sin theta is cos theta. Derivative of sin 2 theta is cos 2 theta into 2. Therefore, I can find dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta is there. Cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. Cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta. That is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta is 2 sin 2 theta minus sin theta. 2 sin 2 theta minus sin theta. Hence, we get dy by dx. Dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Cos theta minus 2 times cos 2 theta divided by 2 sin 2 theta minus sin theta. Hence, we get dy by dx like this. Move on to the next one. X is given as a cos theta, y equal to b sin theta. Find dy by dx. The parameter is theta here. Given x equal to a cos theta. So from this dx by d theta, parameter is theta. So I am differentiating with respect to theta. Constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Differentiate the variable. Derivative of cos theta with respect to theta is minus sin theta. So a into minus sin theta. Given y equal to b sin theta here. Y is equal to b sin theta. Differentiate this with respect to theta. Dy by d theta is equal to constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Derivative of sin theta with respect to theta is cos theta. Therefore, dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta we got b cos theta divided by dx by d theta we got minus a sin theta. Correct? So cos by sin is cot. So minus b by a into cot theta. Minus b by a into cot theta. Dy by dx. Dy by d theta by dx by d theta. B cos theta by minus a sin theta. So minus b by cos by sin is cot. Want the next one? Given x equal to a secant theta, y equal to b tan theta. Want to find dy by dx. Parameter is theta. So find dx by d theta, dy by d theta. Hence dy by dx. Given x equal to a into secant theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. We get dx by d theta is equal to dx by d theta is equal to constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Derivative of secant theta is secant theta tan theta. Y is given to be equal to b tan theta. Correct? So differentiate this with respect to theta. Dy by d theta is equal to constant into variable. Constant keep as it is. Derivative of tan theta is secant square theta. Therefore dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Correct? Derivative of b tan theta is b into secant square theta. Derivative of a secant theta is a into secant theta tan theta. Dy by d theta by dx by d theta. So b into secant square theta divided by a into secant theta tan theta. Dy by dx is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Correct? One secant theta is going to cancel. Correct? b into secant theta divided by a into tan theta. Because secant theta is going to cancel here. Secant square is secant into secant. One secant theta cancels. Secant is 1 by cos. Tan is sin by cos. Simplified further. This is equal to b by a into secant is 1 by cos. secant is 1 by cos, tan is sine by cos. Correct? So this is equal to b by a into 1 cos will cancel here. 1 by sine is cosec. So b by a into cosec theta. Secant is 1 by cos. Tan is sine by cos. Cos cancels. 1 by sine is cosec. So b by a cosec theta. On to the next one. X is given as sin cube t divided by root of cos 2t. Y is equal to cos cube t by root of cos 2t. Want to find dy by dx. This is a little lengthy question actually. This question can be asked for CET exam. Okay. If it is asked for CET exam, we can't do like a 5-mark question. Waste of time. Because already you've seen the question means you remember the answer. Only in that case you are able to complete the paper. Okay. So learn all the results. Time saving results. On each and every topic you should list out. If you listen to my synopsis, no, it's very helpful actually. Synopsis part should be very strong. Then only you can attend the competitive exams. Board exams are easy. Anyone can write the board exams. Scoring out of 4 nowadays is much easier comparatively. Except MCQs maybe 1 or 2 questions twisted. Otherwise, lot of choices are there. Easy it has become. Syllabus also reduced, correct? So it becomes very easy to score out of 4 or nearly out of 4 marks. Maybe 99 out of 100 or 98 out of 100 is quite easy. But in the competitive exams, we should perform well. That's the most important thing. It may be CET or NDA or JEE, all those things. Then only you can get into good colleges. That's the most important thing. So to perform well in the competitive exams, board exams, NCERT book should be mastered like anything. Then only it's possible to should get hold of the subject. NCERT book you should have a proper hold in that. Then only you can go for competitive part. Without knowing NCERT properly, then going for competitive, studying for competitive will be of no use. Or listening to the competitive class is also no use. Correct? So first you should learn all the formulas. Whatever formulas are there in mathematics. Mathematics is a subject made up of formulas and equations only. At PU level, that too in particular I am telling you. So you should learn the formulas. Whatever formulas you come across in trigonometry, it may be compound angle, double angle, triple angle, half angle, correct? Transformation formula, defactorization formula, whatever. Everything you should master. Allied angles, standard angles, all the values and whatever you require, inverse trigonometry functions, properties, each and every chapter matters here. Okay. So there is connection from one chapter to another chapter. You can't neglect any chapter here, correct? So if you want to perform well in competitive exams, first learn all the formulas and results. Okay. Then you can do well. Then you can take up the questions. Okay. Then only it's possible. Please make a note of such things which is required. Okay. Now to find the derivative, here the parameter is t. So find dx by dt, dy by dt, then find dy by dx. So I'll apply quotient rule here. There is no other shortcut method to find the derivative. Only I can apply the quotient rule because it is quotient of two functions. X is sin cube t by root of cos 2t. Y is cos cube t by root of cos 2t. To find dx by dt, apply u by v rule or quotient rule. Same story for y also. To differentiate y with respect to t, apply quotient rule. Patiently you should do this without mistake because lot of simplification is there. I require this entire board here, correct, to find this dy by dx. So I'll write dx by dt directly. X is here. So dx by dt I'll write from this extreme left side and start. Dx by dt is equal to, I'll apply the quotient rule, denominator square, root of cos 2t square, correct? Root of cos 2t square is cos 2t, directly I wrote, cos 2t, correct? Root of cos 2t square is cos 2t. Denominator I should write as it is here. Denominator into derivative of numerator, cos 2t into derivative of numerator. Derivative of sin cube t is 3 sin square t into derivative of sin t is cos t. Correct? Minus numerator into, numerator keep as it is, sin cube t into derivative of denominator. Derivative of root is 1 by 2 root. 1 by 2 root of cos 2t into derivative of cos 2t is minus sin 2t into derivative of 2t is 2. Derivative of root is 1 by 2 root. 1 by 2 root of cos 2t into derivative of cos 2t is minus sin 2t into derivative of 2t, that is 2. This is dx by dt. So far I did. Correct? Denominator, I square and write root of cos 2t square is cos 2t. How to start in the numerator? Start from denominator. Denominator keep as it is. Differentiate the numerator. Derivative of sine cube t is 3 sine square t into derivative of sine t is cos t. Minus numerator keep as it is. Differentiate denominator. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root of cos 2t into derivative of cos 2t is minus sine 2t into derivative of 2t is 2. 2 cancels. 2 cancels. Minus into minus will become plus there. And this is divided by 1 no here. Divided by 1. So take LCM as root of cos 2t there. And taking LCM as root of cos 2t. Root of cos 2t is LCM. Correct? 1 you have to multiply by root of cos 2t to get this. This root of cos 2t into root of cos 2t becomes cos 2t. So I am writing 3 sine square t. 3 sine square t cos t into cos 2t. Correct? Minus. Minus into minus is plus. Minus into minus is plus. What is left here? Sine 2t into sine cube t. Sine 2t into sine cube t. Denominator is cos 2t. Denominator is cos 2t. So further I'll simplify this. Sine 2t formula. Sine 2t is 2 sine t cos t, right? Sine 2t is 2 sine t cos t. Sine 2t I'll write here. 2 sine t cos t. So when you multiply these two, it becomes 2 sine power 4t cos t. Correct? 2 sine t into sine cube t becomes sine power 4t into cos t. See, cos 2t, there are many formulas. Cos 2t is cos square t minus sine square t. 2 cos square t minus 1. 1 minus 2 sine square t is also equal to 1 minus tan square t by 1 plus tan square t. The suitable formula here is for getting the like terms, because here I got 2 sine power 4t into cos t. I'll write cos 2t as 1 minus 2 sine square t here. Cos 2t as 1 minus 2 sine square t. Okay? Because sine square into sine square becomes sine power 4. I am writing cos 2t as 1 minus 2 sine square t. That's equal to, I'll write this step here, 3 sine square t into cos t into cos 2t I am writing 1 minus 2 sine square t plus 2 sine t cos t into sine cube t. 2 sine t cos t into sine cube t divided by, this comes to denominator, correct? Dividing by a number means multiply by the reciprocal. So this will come to denominator. Cos 2t into root of cos 2t. Cos 2t into root of cos 2t I am getting. So multiply this. What we get? 3 sine square t cos t into 1. So 3 sine square t cos t. Open the bracket. Minus 3 into 2 becomes 6. Sine square into sine square. Sine power 4t cos t plus 2 here sine cube into sine becomes sine power 4. Sine cube into sine is sine power 4t into cos t divided by what we get? Cos 2t into root of cos 2t. So we can add the like terms. Cos 2t into root of cos 2t. Adding the like terms. See, minus 6 sine power 4t cos t plus 2 sine power 4t cos t. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Correct? So dx by dt I'll write here. Last step. 3 sine square t cos t. 3 sine square t cos t minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4 sine power 4t into cos t. Correct? Divided by what we have? Cos 2t into root of cos 2t. This is dx by dt part, simplified form. Next I'll go for dy by dt. Again I should apply quotient rule for that also. Carefully I should simplify. Okay, and I can take common here as sin t cos t. Even though sin square t is common, I shall not take. I'll take only sin t cos t common here. Okay, sin t cos t, if you take common, what is the advantage is I'll get the formula 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. You in the well known formula 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t sin 3t. Correct. So I'm taking sin t cos t common here. Sin t into cos t is common. If you take sin t cos t common, what remains is 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t, which is nothing but sin 3t. Denominator keep as it is. Cos 2t into root of cos 2t. Correct? So dx by dt I am getting what? Sin t into cos t into terms inside the bracket is sin 3t divided by cos 2t into square root of cos 2t. This is dx by dt. Same way you need to find dy by dt. dy by dt will find out. dy by dt from this. dy by dt is equal to denominator square. Denominator is root of cos 2t. Square it and write. I'll get cos 2t. Cos 2t. Denominator into derivative of numerator. Root of cos 2t into derivative of cos cube t is 3 cos square t into derivative of cos t, which is minus sin t. Correct? Correct? Minus numerator into derivative of denominator. Numerator is cos cube t into derivative of denominator. Derivative of root is 1 by 2 root. 1 by 2 root of cos 2t into derivative of cos 2t, which is minus sin 2t into 2. Correct? Into 2 I'll write here itself. Into 2. Into 2 I'll write here. Correct? Into 1 it was. Into 2 I wrote here. So that this 2 and 2 will cancel. Minus into minus will become plus. Take LCM, root of cos 2t. That will come to denominator. Correct? So this will be equal to minus, you write, minus 3 cos square t into sin t. Root of cos 2t into root of cos 2t will be cos 2t here. Correct? Minus into minus will be plus. What is left out is cos cube t into sin 2t. Sin 2t I am writing the formula 2 sin t cos t. This root of cos 2t, after taking LCM it comes to denominator. I am getting cos 2t into root of cos 2t. Correct? Sin 2t we are writing the formula 2 sin t cos t. But for cos 2t I shall write in terms of cos square. Because if we write sin 2t as 2 sin t cos t, 2 sin t cos t into cos cube will be 2 sin t cos power 4t. I'm getting cos power 4. So I'll express cos 2t in terms of cos square. 2 cos square t minus 1. So that I get the like terms. So this will be equal to minus 3 cos square t into sin t. Cos 2t is what? 2 cos square t minus 1 plus cos cube t into sin 2t is 2 sin t cos t divided by what we have, cos 2t into root of cos 2t. Correct? This is equal to, this you multiply, minus 3 into 2 becomes minus 6. Cos square into cos square becomes cos power 4t into sin t. Correct? Minus into minus becomes plus 3 cos square t sin t plus 2 cos cube into cos becomes cos power 4t into sin t. Correct? Divided by what we have is cos 2t into root of cos 2t. Add the like terms. These two are like terms. minus 6 cos power 4t sin t plus 2 cos power 4t sin t. Minus 6 plus 2 becomes minus 4. Correct? So this becomes minus 4 cos power 4t into sin t plus 3 cos square t sin t divided by what we have is cos 2t into root of cos 2t. In the numerator, I shall take common as minus sin t cos t. If you take minus sin t cos t common, even though cos square t sin t is common, I shall not take out cos square t sin t because there is advantage. If you take minus cos t sin t common, I'll get the terms inside the bracket as 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t. 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t is cos 3t, a triple angle formula we know. So this part will be, I'll take minus sin t cos t common there, correct? From there, I'll write dy by dt here, therefore, remaining steps, I'll write here dy by dt. dy by dt, I'll write here, remaining steps. dy by dt is equal to, what I'm doing? I'm taking sin t cos t, minus sin t cos t common, minus sin t cos t is common. So what remains? If you take minus sin t cos t common, what remains is 4 cos cube t, 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t divided by cos 2t into root of cos 2t. Cos 2t into root of cos 2t. So 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t, that is cos 3t. Correct? Four cos cube t. Correct? So what I am getting is dy by dt is equal to minus sin t cos t into cos 3t divided by cos 2t into root of cos 2t. At this stage I can take the ratio one by the other. So dy by dt we got, dx by dt we got. Can add one slide here, that's better. Therefore dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. dy by dt, what we got? dy by dt we got it as minus sin t cos t. Terms inside the bracket is cos 3t, correct? Minus sin t cos t minus sin t cos t. Terms inside the bracket is cos 3t divided by cos 2t into root of cos 2t dx by dt. What we got? Dx by dt. Dx by dt is here. Sin t cos t into sin 3t by cos 2t into root of cos 2t. Correct? Sin t cos t. Sin t cos t into sin 3t divided by cos 2t into root of cos 2t. Sin t cos t is going to cancel. Cos 2t into root of cos 2t is going to cancel. What is left is minus cos 3t divided by sin 3t. Cos by sin is cot. So what we get is minus cot 3t. dy by dx equal to minus cot 3t. Hence, we got the answer. You can observe the steps if you want. You can remember this as a standard result. If x is sin cube t by root of cos 2t, y is cos cube t by root of cos 2t, then dy by dx is minus cot 3t. Applying quotient rule, we should get the answer. Hope you understand this. Practice it. They may not ask for board exams. Chances are very less. But for competitive exams, it's better to remember as a standard result. Even in JEE exam, once the question was asked similar to this, I'll tell the question. See, orally, x was given as sin cube t into root of cos 2t and y is equal to cos cube t into root of cos 2t. the product of these two was given x, product of these two was given as y. Then you can find dy by dx, almost same as this. Here it is quotient, there it was product. Okay, practice such kind of questions. Dy by dx we got minus cot 3t. On to the next concept here, type 2 we got. So only one problem is there in the NCERT book of this type, but I have taken 4 questions of this type. Okay, finding the derivative of one function with respect to another function. Take the first function as u and the second function as v. Find du by dx, dv by dx, then find du by dv. Derivative of first function with respect to second function means take the first function as u, second function as v. So you want to find derivative of u with respect to v, du by dv. Du by dv is du by dx by dv by dx. That is what I given. U equal to f of x, v equal to g of x. It's almost same as the parametric form, parametric differentiation. But you are finding the ratio between the derivative of the first function and the derivative of second function. First function derivative divided by second function derivative. That is derivative of u with respect to it, defined like this. We'll take some problems. Already this question is done in the miscellaneous exercise actually. Okay, but still I am working out here also. Take the first function as u and the second function as v. Let u is equal to sine square x. U is equal to sine square x. Take the first function as u, second function as v. V equal to e power cos x. Sine square x means what? Sine x the whole square. Correct? Sine square x is same as sine x the whole square. Differentiate this with respect to x. Du by dx. Derivative of x square we know 2x. Likewise differentiate. Derivative of sine x the whole square is 2 sine x into derivative of sine x cos x. What we get is 2 sine x cos x. 2 sine x cos x. No need to write this as sine 2x because I can simplify it by cancelling some common terms. dv by dx here. Derivative of e power x is e power x. Derivative of e power cos x is e power cos x into derivative of cos x which is minus sine x. E power cos x into derivative of cos x which is minus sine x. Therefore you can find du by dv. Du by dv is equal to du by dx divided by dv by dx. Du by dx divided by dv by dx. Du by dx is here. Du by dx is here. 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. dv by dx is here. Minus e power cos x into sin x. Du by dx is 2 sin x cos x. dv by dx is minus e power cos x into sin x. Sin x will cancel. So what you get is minus 2 cos x divided by e power cos x. So that is equal to minus 2 cos x into e power cos x, take it up, becomes e power minus cos x. Hence we get this. Or you can keep as it is, minus 2 cos x by e power cos x or minus 2 cos x into e power minus cos x. This question is there in the miscellaneous exercise also. I mean the solved example. Next one, find the derivative of sin x with respect to log x. Take the first function as u, second function as v. Let u equal to sin x. V is equal to log x. Find du by dx. Differentiate this with respect to x. Du by dx. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Here also differentiate. dv by dx. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Therefore, du by dv. du by dv is equal to du by dx divided by dv by dx. du by dx divided by dv by dx. du by dx is cos x. dv by dx is 1 by x. This x will go up, correct? Denominator's denominator becomes numerator. It x into cos x. Very simple question. Derivative of sin is cos. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. du by dv. du by dx by dv by dx. Cos x divided by 1 by x becomes x cos x. Go on to the next one. Find the differential coefficient of e power x cube with respect to log x. Take the first function as u. Take u equal to e power x cube. Take u equal to e power x cube. V is equal to log x. V is equal to log x. Find out du by dx. dv by dx. Then find du by dv. du by dx is du by dx. Derivative of e power x cube is e power x cube into derivative of x cube 3x square. Here dv by dx. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Now find du by dv. Therefore du by dv is du by dx divided by dv by dx. du by dx is here 3x square into e power x cube. dv by dx is 1 by x. This x will go up, becomes what do you get? 3x square into x becomes x cube e power x cube. Derivative of e power x is e power x, but this is not x. So further differentiate. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. du by dv is du by dx by dv by dx. du by dx is here 3x square e power x cube. dv by dx 1 by x. Denominator goes to numerator. 3x cube e power x cube is the answer. On to the next one. Find the derivative of sine of x cube with respect to cos of x cube. Take the first function as u, second function as v. Find du by dx, dv by dx, then find du by dv. Take u equal to sine of x cube. Take u is equal to sine of x cube. Differentiate this. du by dx. Derivative of sine of x cube is cos of x cube into derivative of x cube, that is 3x square. Correct? V is equal to cos of x cube. Cos of x cube into differentiate this. dv by dx. Derivative of cos is minus sine. Minus sine of x cube into derivative of x cube, that is 3x square. Correct? Derivative of cos of x cube is minus sine of x cube into derivative of x cube is 3x square. Now find du by dv. Therefore du by dv is du by dx by dv by dx. du by dv is du by dx divided by dv by dx. du by dx is here 3x square into cos of x cube. dv by dx is here minus 3x square into sine of x cube. 3x square is going to cancel, correct? 3x square cancels. Minus you keep as it is. Cos by sine is cot. So minus cot of x cube. Hope you understand. Using chain rule. Derivative of sine of x cube is cos of x cube into derivative of x cube, which is 3x square. Derivative of cos of x cube is minus sine of x cube into further differentiate x cube 3x square. Then take the ratio. du by dv is du by dx divided by dv by dx. 3x square is going to cancel. Cos by sine is cot. So minus cot of x cube. With this, we completed all the problems connected to parametric differentiation from NCERT 12th standard or 2nd PU. Okay. So exercise 5.6 has been done completely. Even the solved examples connected to parametric differentiation is completely solved with the explanation, okay, in detail. So please practice all the problems connected to parametric differentiation. It's quite important for 3 marks for board exams, and even for competitive exams questions are asked many times. I'll be working out even the competitive part of also of this, all the chapters, even top concept wise I'll work out. See, parametric differentiation, I'll work out all the competitive level questions on parametric differentiation. On implicit function differentiation, I'll work out all the competitive questions. It might be CET, JE, all those things. Different questions I'll take out and work out. I'll be uploading more and more videos in the coming days. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and forward it to your friends and make use of this. Okay, thank you. With this, I conclude. Thank you.